Every morning with the rising sun, you prepare the future one by one, with a piece of chalk and a hopeful smile. You walk the extra mile. You teach us dreams beyond the page, building tomorrow, shaping every age. Your words become the seeds we sow, helping every young heart grow. African teacher, standing proud and strong, lighting every path where we belong. Through every lesson, through every year, you fill our hearts with hope, not fear. African teacher, your legacy will stay, guiding every child along the way. Under village trees or city lights, you inspire minds to reach new heights. Every question finds a patient ear, every challenge disappears. You teach respect, you teach us grace, helping every child find their place. Your kindness echoes far and wide, with wisdom always as your guide. Books may close when the day is done, but your lessons travel with everyone. Generations rise because you care, a brighter future you've prepared. African teacher, standing proud and strong, lighting every path where we belong. Through every lesson, through every year, you fill our hearts with hope, not fear. African teacher, your legacy will stay in every dream we chase today. Thank you for believing from the start. You're the hero in every heart. Ooh, yeah. Hold on. Every sunrise paints the sky, whispers hope as days go by. Footprints on an open road, carrying a lighter load. Though the seasons come and go, love is all we'll ever know. Every dream we choose to keep lives within our hearts so deep. When the stars begin to shine, every dream can still be mine. Take my hand and you will see tomorrow starts with you and me. Dreams to remember, shining so bright, guiding our hearts through the darkest night. Dreams to remember, never let go. Water them gently and watch them grow. Whoa. Dreams to remember, carried on the breeze, moving together with effortless ease. Oh, dreams to remember, forever we'll sing. Hope is the greatest gift life can bring. Hey! Children laughing in the sun, every new day's just begun. Kindness growing like a tree, branches reaching endlessly. With each heartbeat, with each smile, every step is worth a while. Let the music lead the way, bringing brighter days each day. If the clouds should hide the blue, keep believing, stay true. Every mountain, every sea can't outshine our destiny. Lift your voice and sing along. Love will always make us strong. Dreams to remember, hold them close, like a flower in full bloom that grows. Oh, oh, dreams to remember, hearts unite, turning every shadow into light. Whoa, whoa, dreams to remember, keep them alive. With faith and hope we always strive. Oh, oh, dreams to remember, loud and clear. The brightest days are always near. Oh, dreams to remember. Hold them forever. One heart, one love, until the morning comes. Hey. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Here I am. Yeah. When the morning breaks so bright, I lift my eyes to welcome light. Every step along the way brings another brand new day. I've stumbled, I've learned, I've grown, found my strength when I stood alone. Now I carry hope inside, with a peaceful heart as my guide. No looking back at yesterday, I'm moving forward come what may. With faith and courage hand in hand, I'm ready for what life has planned. Here I am, standing tall, ready to answer every taught a little more to me. Every sunrise paints the skies with dreams reflected in my eyes. I'll keep singing, keep the fire, lifting spirits ever higher. Step by step and day by day, I'll never lose my hope away. When the world feels cold and gray, music lights another way. Together we can rise as one, shining brighter than the sun. Here I am, hear my song, a place where every heart belongs, with kindness leading every stride. There's nothing left for me to hide. Here I am, this is me, growing into who I'll be, with hope alive in everything. I'll greet each dawn and proudly sing. Here I am, with love to share. Here I am, hope is everywhere. No, 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 no. Oh, na, 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 na. Teacher said, listen to the sound. Every heartbeat keeps the rhythm around. Life's a melody, don't rush the beat. Every journey starts with your feet. The bass goes deep like the roots of a tree. The guitar sings of being free. Every note has a place to belong. Together they become a song. Feel the rhythm in your soul. That's the lesson that makes you whole. This is a music lesson. Hear the melody, let the rhythm set your spirit free. Turn up the love, turn down the fear. The sweetest harmony is always near. Every heartbeat keeps the time. Every voice can beautifully shine. This is a music lesson you'll always know, where peace and love continue to grow. Ah, yeah. Don't compare your song to mine. Every voice was made to shine. Some sing high and some sing low. Together, that's how beautiful songs grow. When the drums begin to play, all your troubles fade away. Harmony is more than sound. It's the love that brings us around. If you stumble world with light. When the morning sun comes through the rain, hope is calling out my name. Every road I've walked alone led me to a place called home. The world may change from day to day, but true love always finds a way. Hand in hand we'll face the storm. In your heart I'm always warm. When the night is cold and long, your love keeps me holding on. Every heartbeat tells me true. Life is brighter here with you. Now and forever, we'll stand together. Nothing can break what we have inside. Now and forever, through every weather, love will be our endless guide. Side by side until the end, you're my lover, you're my friend. Now and forever, our hearts will stay forever in love, come what may. Every smile you bring to me feels like sweet eternity. Through the laughter, through the tears, we'll grow stronger through the years. When the mountains seem too high, we'll keep reaching for the sky. Every dream we dare to chase starts with love we both embrace. When the shadows hide the light, we'll keep shining through the night. Faith and love will light the way, bringing brighter days each day. Now and forever, we'll stand together. Nothing can break what we have inside. Now and forever, through every weather, love will be our endless guide. Side by side until the end, you're my lover, you're my friend. Now and forever, our hearts will stay forever in love, come what may. Time may write new stories, seasons come and go, but the love we built together only grows and grows. Every promise that we made will never fade away. You're the melody I hear every single day. Now and forever, we'll stand together. Nothing can break what we have inside. bright new light. Hope is rising, the future's bright. Every voice has a story to tell. Every heartbeat rings like a bell. Step together side by side, with love and truth to be our guide. No matter where the road may lead, kindness is the greatest seed. No fear can silence what we know. Love is stronger when we let it grow. Hand in hand we'll carry on. With every sunrise comes a brand new song. Let's sing our own song, loud and strong. Together is where we belong. With hearts united we'll move along. Nothing can stop this joyful song. Let's sing our own song. Voices high, like birds that dance across the sky. With peace and love we'll carry on, forever singing our own song. Whoa, yeah. Different faces, different dreams. Life is brighter than it seems. Every smile can light the way, turning night into a brand new day. Lift your neighbor when they fall. There's enough hope here for all. One good word, one helping hand can change the world across the land. When the clouds begin to fade, remember every choice we've made. Hope is growing like a tree, rooted deep in unity. Raise your hands, let spirit soar. Open every hopeful door. Together we are standing strong. Together we can all belong. Let's sing our own song, loud and clear. A melody the world can hear. With every heartbeat beating strong, we'll keep believing all day long. Let's sing our own song, side by side, with hope and love as our guide. From every heart, from every home, we'll sing our own song. Oh, oh, hey. When the music fills the air, hope and love are everywhere. One world, one heart, one lifelong song. Forever we'll sing our own song. Oh yeah. Oh na 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 na. Oh yeah yeah. I came with the sunrise, carrying a worn old bag, dust on my shoes and on a hopeful little flag. New streets before me, faces all around, searching for tomorrow in this unfamiliar town. Some looked away, some offered a smile, some said stay and rest here for a while. Every road is different, every heart can see. A stranger today, tomorrow family. Every journey starts with one first step. Every dream begins where hope is kept. I'm a stranger in town, but my heart is open wide, looking for a place where love and peace reside. Stranger in town, with a song upon my way, believing brighter days are never far away. Stranger in town, beneath the same blue sky, together we can rise if we only try. The market was busy with laughter in the air. Music on the corner chased away despair. An old friend in spirit, though we'd never met, reminded me that kindness is something we don't forget. The river kept flowing without asking my name. The sunshine touched everyone exactly the same. No matter where we come from or where we have been, every ending can become a new beginning. Open your heart, let compassion lead. The a sunrise, waiting for the dawn, growing even stronger every passing morn. They can never silence what Jah placed inside. Every dream I carry walks with hope and pride. Patient like the river, finding to the sea. My time is coming, just wait and see. Unreleased, but the music lives. Every heartbeat has a song to give. Release, still burning bright, guided by the stars to the longest night. Unreleased, my spirit knows every faithful seed will surely grow. But every step prepares me for what's yet to come. Brick upon brick I build my way, trusting every blessing of a brand new day. No need for envy, no need to race. Everyone is running at a different pace. Keep it true, the right time is waiting for you. Unreleased, but my heart can sing. Hope is stronger than anything. Unreleased, the day will come when every beat will reach someone. Unreleased, until that day I'll keep the faith and walk my way. Take a little walk beneath the morning sun. Every day's a blessing, every race is won. Hear the birds singing in the mango tree. Life is moving gently just as it should be. Every smile you give comes back around. Peace and love are everywhere they're found. No need to hurry, no need to race. Joy is waiting in a slower pace. Step by step along the way, find a brighter kind of day. Share a word and share a smile. Make the journey all worthwhile. Walk and talk, let your spirit rise. See the hope in every pair of eyes. Let the good vibes flow. Plant a little love wherever outside, neighbors greeting with a heart of pride. Every story carries something new. Every honest word can see us through. When the rhythm fills the evening air, you can feel the love that's everywhere. Simple moments often mean the most. Raise your voice for the ones you love the most. No mountain is too high to climb when your heart keeps perfect time. Every road becomes a song when together we move along. Walk and talk, let your spirit rise. See the hope in every pair of eyes. Let the good vibes flow. Plant a little love wherever you go. Walk and talk, hand in hand we stand, building peace across the land. Walk and talk, side by side, with one love as our guide. Oh, keep on walking, keep on singing. Hey. Keep on walking, keep on singing. Hear the joyful echoes ringing. Walk and talk until the break of dawn. One love carries us along. Oh, no, 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 oh, no, no. What a shame. Morning sun is rising bright. Still the world keeps losing sight. Promises were left behind. Greed has made the people blind. Children dreaming of a way, looking for a brighter day. Love was free for everyone. Now it's hidden from the sun. Open up your heart again. Wash away the fear and pain. What a shame, what a shame. We forgot we're all the same. What a shame, can't you see? Love is how we're meant to be. Stand together, hand in hand, healing every heart and land. What a shame, what a shame. Still there's time to change the game. Oh, na 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 na. Voices crying